Hey everybody, Dalton with Byrider Madison. Just wanted to make a quick video of a vehicle we recently just got out. Kind of just showcasing a vehicle that'd be really great for the snow and ice here in Wisconsin. So here it is, our 2014 Ford Explorer. It actually just came out this morning. Just wanted to showcase it to you. It is black on black, obviously, for the exterior. Very nice. It is four-wheel drive, so definitely going to handle the snow and the ice really well. It also is a V6, so you're gonna have more of that power there to get out of anything that you might be get stuck into. Also, coming to the interior, it is leather interior. Also is third row seating, and then also does come with the 2 sunroofs as well. Big screen for navigation and entertainment. Also coming with the heated seats, gonna keep you really nice and warm, and heat works really well for it. Just wanted to show it to you real quick. Very nice vehicle that just came out. Like I said, definitely going to be a good one for the snow and the ice. If you're looking for a vehicle, definitely give us a call. We want to try and help you. 608-663-1213. Once again, Dalton, Byrider Madison, here to help. Talk to you soon. Bye.